There we go, there we go, there we go. Good morning, good morning. Thank you. Now that one was definitely on my end. I was over here freaking having a full-on conversation with Wild Boy, and you couldn't even hear me. Oh gosh, sorry. All right, gappers. Wild Boy, I was saying, I've thought about a green screen, but then you have to put it in the middle of my room where I'm set up, and I don't want that in the middle of my room where I have to set it up every time I come here, and it's just gonna be a mess. So, maybe one day. Or maybe I should just paint the wall behind me green and then have my setup closer to it. But we'll see. As far as gappers, I got BNFT, I got SNOA, and I got Lee. Is that the auto? Lee auto? Oh no, FI. No. R. Why did it look like Lee? RLX again. I don't really like that stock. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. We got Charlie, J Hart, Chris, Amy, Cinder, Jim, Israel, Tech and Money. What's up? What's up, everybody? Why green screen? Just the words behind me, and then I could put some other stuff instead of you guys seeing my chair. Well, I guess you would see my chair, but my door in the back and stuff. So I'm not seeing a lot of gappers this morning. Is that what you guys are seeing too? I see BNFT, which wasn't even a gapper. This is probably just something random. Alexander, I got a YouTube on recap. I got a recap on YouTube. Post daily recaps every single day. Explain all my trades, how much I made, where I took them, all that stuff. Um, SNOA actually doesn't look bad. SNOA has 335 high. This one has given a lot of profits back, but I don't think we quite hit the. Oh no, we did. Dang it. I was gonna say we didn't really quite hit the 200 moving average, but we did. 307 was the 200 moving average, and this thing hit 335, so that's unfortunate. Still no sound. No, I have sound. Hello, hello. No, no, unmute me. Chicago, good morning, Juan. Oh, and you know what settling to change to stop my order messages from popping up? Like when I sell, it shows a bunch of boxes on the left side of screen. Oh, somebody was asking me that. No way. Somebody was asking me that the other day, and I honestly have never thought about it. Um, so I don't know how to. I don't know how to stop that. No, I think he was being legit. He can't have. He doesn't have sound on his end again. Whoever that was. But good morning, Easy Money. Great shirt you have. I wear like the same shirts like every day. What do you mean, Carly? No, he got it. All right, no, he's got it. No, he's back with us. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. As far as gappers, I got SNOA. Am I missing one that's like absolutely obvious that I'm not seeing? Let me look at my gappers list again, because that's all I see. SNOA, BNFT, but I don't like that. FRZA, FRZA. This one looks, yeah. Do I have it on mine? No. 236 high on FRZA. Dang, got a lot of lines on this one, so let's start fresh. Delete everything. So daily chart on this one. FRZA popped up to 236. Okay, we could find some support through all this area of 215-ish, but that's not cleanest. Last time we popped up on this stock, it looks like we gave it all back. So this stock has given everything back, but finally reached $1.50. Maybe that's the lowest it's gonna put in. But we do have another spike up here at the next spike is going to be 425, 46, 354. Oh no, 286. That's the one I was looking at. So 286. That's the next thing I see on the daily for this one. 286. Could get stopped a little bit before at 250, so we'll keep an eye on 250. But this is not bad, so we're looking for 250, 286, and see if this one wants to open up. This is FRZA. What's up, Chicago City? Good morning, Ape Trades. Good morning, Rosendo. BNFT. I saw that one, but what is this? You know, this is probably just one of those that just not gonna do anything at open anyways. Dang, everybody on freaking YouTube said FRZA. Let's get this bread. Yes, sir, Alexander. Michael, FRZA has news. Okay. Okay, so news and looking pretty decent. That's good. I really like SNOA. If we reclaim that 307, 307 on SNOA is the 200 moving average. It's like 305, but 307, I can see a pretty clear resistance here. I guess you could do 305-ish, all of this area here. Chart Amazon. I won't look at Amazon right now. Only look at the gappers. If I have a lot of time extra later on, I'll do that one. But SNOA and FRZA. Guys, I had a bad dream last night. Who's gonna come for me? I had a bad dream last night. Does anyone remember the stock that ran with FRCA last time? No, I don't. Check this prank out. My sister pulled on my mother-in-law, made her sure, and didn't tell her what the back said, and put it on her and my kid's game, and she thought it was my kid's name and number because she only seen the front. The heck? Morning, Blair. That's funny. No, I don't remember Rosendo. My dream was that I didn't wake up. Or actually, in my dream, I was dreaming that I woke. Bro, are you a weird dreamer? What was it? No, I'm not a weird dreamer. But for some reason, I like woke up and I like came to my computer setup and stuff. And you guys know, I literally like I'm here. I'm sitting down on my computer 5 minutes before I start the stream. Like I'm not here an hour early like some of you guys are like watching the market. You know. Anyways, I got to my computer and like for some reason like my desk was like not flipped around like but it was like out of like messed up. My computer was like almost knocked over. My monitors were all like messed up everywhere. My chair was gone. And like I was like panicking, struggling to set everything up, and then my monitors would turn on and off, and like I tried going live, and then I had, like my table was broken, and I just couldn't set it up, and frig, I was like panicking, and then at that point I was like, what am I doing, bro? Just wake up, and I actually woke up, and I just got here, and everything was fine. Streaming anxiety manifesting subconsciously. You had a dream, you forgot to close a position, and woke up with a zero in your trading account. All right, guys. We have 8 minutes to market open SNOA. Let's look at some previous runners just to see if anything was going. Arab, this is one that ran yesterday. 185 high. Looks like we tapped it today pre-market, but we didn't quite break it. So if we come up to this one again, 185, maybe we will break it this time. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one. ARAV, Arab. SFET was a runner from yesterday. No. Acor. No. There is one that I do want to look at, and I'll remember which one it is. Well, actually, I know which one it is, but I'll remember when I get there. Or I'll mention it when I get to Getty. Sun. Oh, Sun hit a new high overnight, but this one I don't think I wanna trade anymore. It's already had 2 good moves today, or 2 good moves 2 days. You know, it still has room to the 200 moving average, but this one still has that pending offering. So, where's this other stock? Aggle, here we go. This is the one I want to look at. Oh, actually, it doesn't look as good as I thought. It would have to get over 115 on its way back up to the 200 moving average. So, never mind. Screw that. DAIO also kind of still going for it. See, this is what sucks though, because when you have a hot market, all of these stocks that are popping up like this over the 200 moving average, you'd be squeezing, not just popping over. Like, I can't trade these stock. I can't trade some of these stocks. I mean, I could trade them, but it's not the best. But like DAIO popping over the 200, never really squeezed. AGL popping over the 200, kind of some action yesterday, but pretty choppy. You know, all of these, and instead they're just going up like this, all choppy. So, oh well. Epics, no. I mean, Epics could make a turn back up, but no. It's what happened? Is this my Thinkorswim or is this my internet? What the heck? What is happening? That was weird. SON on TikTok, somebody said it. HTCR is another one that's kind of holding a bunch of lows. Oh, yours did that too. Your dream, bro. Your dream. I said it, Chicago. Chicago, I said my dream already, bro. You missed it. V. Okay, I'll keep an eye on V. Somebody instantly give you an X on Eviolin. Blair. Good morning, Mersa. Oh, your dream. Oh my gosh, dude, my dream. Oh, frick, no. People on YouTube, anybody new here? I know some of new people were trying or were messaging on my YouTube recap saying they'll join today. So anybody new here today on TikTok, on YouTube, or on Tradecaster? If you guys, anybody's new here, let me know. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully you guys can make some money today. I still got you, FRCA. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Noah, FRCA. I looked at FRCA, FRCA, and SNOA are my two number one stocks right now, which it looks like so far is the only two things I do have though. So we're gonna have to pay attention to momentum gapper or see if anything else starts popping up. I also feel like okay, who's Greg? Greg Dawson, are you in here? You have to be in here, Greg Dawson. Yeah, this is my first stream with you. You are a master. Awesome. Oh, Tech and Money, you're Greg Dawson. Dude, awesome, man. I really appreciate you doing that. He posted a. It's like the second time I think he posts a Twitter message promoting my live stream. So thank you, Tech and Money. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it, guys. No, no, no. I really appreciate that, man. All right, so we got 3 minutes until market open. We're gonna look at SNOA and FRZA. I don't like the FRCA is pulling back already, but we'll see what happens. Did I see Elon Musk's Halloween costume? Yeah, I saw it. Bro, if I had that much money, I definitely would have done something better. Good morning, Sergio. Rob Bellany, good morning, man. Tyler, good morning. FRCA leaving without us, for real. You need this thing to pull back before market opens. People on YouTube, 130 of you guys, hit the like button before the market opens so more people can come in here. Yeah, I had no idea what he was. It was just like armor. Like, that's it. IRNT. I am not on Twitch. I am on YouTube and Tradecaster.com. IRNT. Oh, frick. I mistyped that. IRNT. We need some volume on it. FRCA. So this one, we already hit that 250, which would have been my first target. But it looks like I already did that before market opens. So After that, I got 286, and I don't see a 200 moving average on this one. This was, I guess, a recent IPO, so no 200 moving average on this one. SNOA does have it. 200 moving average is at 306, 305. And so I want to see this thing get back over 306, 305, flag over it, flag under it, and then get the move up to 335. But it looks like just now it sold off. So unfortunate, we might not have a trade. Oh, I didn't see the upside down crosses. I just straight up like was going through Twitter and I saw it and I was like, what the heck is he wearing? Antonio Cantos Garcia. Alright guys, we got about 40 seconds. 40 seconds till market opens. If you guys are new, feel free to name any tickers you guys are liking, things that might have possible trades. Leave some comments, let me know you're here. And let's try to make some money. Today looks pretty slow, and I think it's going to be slow because we have that FOMC at 2. So market's really going to pick a direction at 2. Probably 2:30 is really going to pick a direction, and so 236 dip on FRCA. Yeah, that could be a nice little retest there, but if this feels so heavy off the open, we'll watch it. So I guess I am going to look at FRCA. SNOA is holding that 2.8, but I'd really want that one over 3. And then FRCA, it's going to hit a new high already. Can't do anything with this one. 286 is the next level that I have. And after that, I'd be looking for 3. So we'll keep an eye on it. Juan, paying attention to news now. No, I'm just saying, and everybody kept saying today was going to be slow because of it. And I mean, already kind of a slow gapper morning. So we need the action from yesterday. Band. Wow, band absolutely gapping up. Looking at band, but my gosh, Thinkorswim, come on, man. I hate this thing. Like, it doesn't register me switching my tools, and I can't do anything. Dear Lord, man. I can't switch my tools. I literally cannot switch my tool. I can't zoom in on this chart. What the frick, man? Don't start off the morning pissing me off already. Then I'm gonna trade all stupidly. Just kidding. Dude, I literally cannot switch my tool. Okay, I can't switch my tool on ban. Screw that stock. I see SNOA popping up and then FRCA. See, I had a little bit of a dip there. It's gonna hold 250 right now. Let's see if this pulls back with light volume or anything like that. Looking for 286. I can zoom in on this one, so screw band. My dream, man, my dream. Just kidding. Maybe that was restart your client. What is that? So that was a tiny little dip on FRCA. I don't know that I would have taken it anyways, but it's trying to keep going again. I really like SNOA now that it's popping up again. Held at 2.8. Okay, I can zoom in here now. Can I zoom out here on the daily? Yes, I can. Okay, so on band. Band is about to go for another high too. For the break of 18. And then FRZA rallying still. You know, no trades for me yet. SNOA doesn't look bad. I want to see a nice 5-minute candlestick on this one. Close high, maybe closer to VWAP. And then if we get a little pullback on this one, maybe try to get a nice little dip and see if we can anticipate this one to keep going up. FRZA, you could catch another tiny little bit of a dip on this one, but let's see. SNOA is really like trying to open up to VWAP, so let's keep an eye on this one. I'm liking this push. I want to see this 5 minute candles close high. VWAP maybe slightly over VWAP, maybe touching that 306, 307, and then hopefully we get that nice pullback on SNOA, and then FRZA we same thing. Let's see if we get a nice 5 minute candle close, and let's see if we get a retest on it. But if this one wants to do that, it's got to really pull away and then have a nice pullback. We've had so many green candles in a row on that one. SNOA. I think SNOA is my top watch right now. SNOA looking for pivots here, maybe 295. I know it's a little low, but this thing is absolutely ripping and opening up right now. We do have a downtrend here, so if I do get a downtrend on this retest here, so I've drawn a new downtrend on this one. If I get a retest of that one, I will jump in on this one down there. Wow, this is about to just squeeze all the way up. Okay, let's close this candle here. That's a good 5 minute candle, and let's see if we get the retest even down all the way down to $3, and I will take some ads down there. As long as this thing closes pretty high, even if it pulls back pretty fast, but if it closes high and gives me that pullback down to 3, maybe slightly under VWAP. Here, let's see. Get the pullback down, get the pullback down. This is a new 5 minute candle. Get the pullback down. Watching SNOA for a pullback. This is the 200 moving average, 306, 307. So it's also going to try to hold here. Kind of double top already, so that's not the best. But I will still take some ads down here, like $3. I want this stock to pull back, pull back, pull back. Okay, it's getting there. Taking my first ad down there. Got a high fill. I really did get a high fill, so I'm not happy with that. That candle did have a little bit too much of volume, but I'm still holding in here. I would have added lower if I had the chance, but I didn't quite get it. I also don't know if this thing is actually going to start ripping back up. Well, I guess it is. Okay. Stop at break even. Not a losing trade now, so I for sure made money on this thing. But I'm going to keep these runners here and see if we really open up on this stock. I have a feeling that triple top there is going to be kind of hard to break. So let me see. If I sell 1,000, I go down to 25. So selling there, selling there at that triple top. So I have 2,500. Now I can easily put that stop there. Now we're off to the races. Off to new highs. Come on, take us up to new highs. Come on, take us up to new highs. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Fly, baby, fly, fly. This was a low volume candle here, so a little iffy. And then we got that double top that we kind of... No! Stopped out. Okay. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. Did you ever afraid of kidnapped by financial cartels for trading skills? What? Again, if this thing pulls back lower down here, I might take another ad. You know, that it bounced pretty nice off that retest. I wanted that entry down there. Look how precise it literally hit my trend line that I had drawn for you guys. If I get a lower ad on this one and trying a little bit of a spike down again, I will try it again. This thing looks like it wants to go to highs. Unfortunately, I got stopped out there, and I thought I didn't have a stop too high, but somebody on TikTok said that. Yeah, that's funny, man. That's funny. Who hasn't had the kidnapability cartels? I might start adding back on this stock here, tiny size, because that 307 is the 200 moving average, and so far we're holding it now with lower volume. So I am jumping back in on this stock here, tiny size. If I get that a little bit of a flush again down to that $3 or something like that, then I will add more. But we have almost 1 minute left on this candle here, and this one candle here has pretty low volume. You can see buyers just stepped up again. So there's the push up again. And I want to see if this one really wants to break out of here. FRZA, I think hit a new high. Barely. I think this one's setting up a nice flag. I think this one can actually rip through this whole area here. So let's see if we can get another lower add, or see if my shares now can take us up there. Let's see if we can get a lower add on this one though, and add a little bit more. So I am in at 307 right now, but I was willing to add more if this thing dropped. But it looks like it's wanting to go again, maybe. Ugh, a little bit of a stuff there, so I really don't like that, but it's holding up still, and buyers came up again at 307. So I'm still holding, I'm still holding. 5 minute looks good. I'm going to add down there again. I added on that tiny little bit of a flush. So now I'm back to my break-even spot, but now I am in profit, so hopefully this thing doesn't flush. In with 5,000 shares again. Could have added more down there, but that's okay. 3 seconds left here. If we hold at 307, this looks good. Holding 307. Can we keep popping up or no? No. I don't think this will flush, but you never know. I guess we'll never know. I guess we will know, just not right now. Still holding this 307, so watching for dips here. If this thing starts popping up, I might take some profit out. I might actually descale out of, I was going to descale there, but didn't quite get it. Lower add here maybe. Watching. Back in down there. Back in down there. Want to see the buyer step up on this one. I don't think this one's just going to give it all out, so I want to see this thing recover down there and keep popping back up and see if we can retrace back over that 307. Oh, beautiful ads, bro. Beautiful ads. Holy moly macaroni. Off to the races. Here we go. 302 stopping plays. 5,000 shares. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos, 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 vamos. Dale, 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 dale. Dale, 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 dale. Ah! Oh! I was up $1,000. I was up 1,000. Why didn't I not sell? Why didn't this thing just fly? Gosh dang, man. Oh no, the cartel's gonna be after me today, bro. The cartel's gonna be after me today, bro. Let it go. Messi? Oh, come on, dude. That should have just flown up. If that would have flown up right there to 330s, I'd be up 1.5, 2K, up to 35, man. Oh, I was up 1,000 on it. I was up 1,000 on that trade, and I couldn't sell it because I knew this thing could just boom explode. You bought 302, sold 319. Dang. Good job, Ape Chase. Good job. All right, so who's new in the stream? This is what we do every single day. If you are brand new to the stream and this is your first day here, let me know. You know, comment down on TikTok, comment down on YouTube, comment down on Tradecaster. Everybody. Big fan, what's up, man? I think you scared it. My bro, nice haircut. Hey, thank you. Somebody noticed my haircut. Awesome. You know, it still doesn't look bad, but now it's doing the same thing every stock has been doing recently, right? You have that strong wall of sellers right here. FRZA had a nice dip too, back down to that 205. Could have snatched some there, but at least it looks like it recovered pretty well. So this actually might put in another high as well. But I'd be a little bit more careful with SNOA now. Zero shorts available. Dude, that's because they all already reserved them, dude. Hem Odie, welcome. Timothy, welcome. SJ, welcome. 180 viewers on YouTube. Let's go. Everybody, hit the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I do this completely free for you guys. If you come here every day, I promise you'll learn and gain a lot of knowledge about day trading. So, VPA on SNOA still looks good. FRZA looks a little stuffy as well. You know, this would have been a nice touch. That's the one that Mercer was calling out right now. It had a nice little bit of a pullback. Kind of a pivot there with this previous candle there. It would have been pretty hard to catch, but still looking, I mean, decent. SNOA, I mean, I was up 1,000. I saw 900, 950, 999. I saw $1,000. I was up over $1,000 at some point, maybe 1,012, 1,020. I don't think I was up over 1,000 much, but you know, I got stopped out on that bottom candle here. Didn't want it to flush on me after I saw that double talk and quick rejection, so I just panic sold there. So 680 bucks, you know, giving back 300 off that top, but that's okay. Mercer, you're calling it again, bro? Wait, how much are you up though? Mercer, you're the one that trades 8 hours a day, bro. What do you mean you're calling it? Blair also calling it. Dude, have y'all gone so good you come here for 5 minutes and then just leave? Now I get to trade by myself? It looks like my new hair brings good luck. 190 viewers on YouTube, guys. Thank you guys for all coming in here. If you guys like the stream, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I just had a trade where I was up over $1,000 and unfortunately didn't open up for me. If it would have opened, it would have been a nice winner. But currently sitting up almost $700 on the day. I think I made like 850 yesterday and like 900 on Monday, so I'm already probably at a 2K week in 3 days. So I'm happy with that. What do I think about NKLA? I hope I can recover my loss from EFSH. I broke my laptop. You broke your laptop from trading, bro. Um, you know, SNOA. I would like a pullback, but this thing is consolidating so much. You know, I'd be scared the next pullback it actually flushes. I'd be scared the next rip it actually rips. You know, like this. Watch it. What? This is where shorts are. 318, 320 area. This is kind of the move that I was in earlier. I bought the dips through here, and then it started opening up like that, and I was up 1,000 right here, so barely this little bit of a move here, but then it did that kind of a move, rejected on me, and so I fully stopped out. Chip stocks ripping. I was screaming at you to take some profit. See, that's my habit though, because you know, any other market, this thing would have gone straight to 335, 34, 350. Not have been up two grand on that trade for sure. You know, but oh well. What cater do I use? 9 and 20 EMAs. Bro, 7. Which, big fan, which one did you lose that much on? EFSH? When you break your daily, use profit around 700s. Just take the profit to have a day above 1K. Dude, honestly, like I used to have days of like $2,000, $3,000 like nonstop, and then this year's been slow that I had to drop share size, and then that's when I started streaming. So obviously, a little bit of a pressure to drop share size, but yeah, need to step it up again. I've been trying. I think I took 75K shares, 10K shares maybe on that one down there, and that was a good trade. Getty ripped. Getty ripping. Okay, what's the previous high on Getty? 755. Okay, definitely keep an eye on Getty. So Getty over 7. We'll start watching Getty. If it starts breaking 7, holding 7, and real volume comes in, not saying this is not real volume, but those are all 20,000 candles, so a little iffy. But I got it on my side chart now. Band, the other one that Ape Trades was calling out. To me, this looks like another flag, but I haven't seen this stock, and this thing just went from 12 to $18. So this would have been the place to add down here and then get that nice little pop there, but I think we missed that one. SNOA, you could still be looking through this $3 area, see if it keeps holding. FRZA, you could still look for that 2.5 area. If it drops down to 2.5, maybe that's another ad kind of like this and get the new high. But today seems pretty slow so far. Actually, SPY. So I mentioned to you guys SPY. I've been having this rising wedge on SPY, right? This rising wedge on SPY, and guess exactly where SPY is. There's my rising wedge. Touch, 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 touch. We're exactly at the bottom of that trend line today. Exactly at the bottom of that trend line today on SPY. So could we bounce? Maybe. It's probably gonna depend to the news later on today as well. So we'll see what happens. SNOA is trying to go. If we clear 318, 320, could get a small retest, but we're gonna keep an eye on that one. SNOA gonna go, I think, trying to break that downtrend. Ban 5-minute flag. Okay. FRZA also 5-minute flag trying to form down with that 250. Wrong. With that 250. Look at FRZA. Look at FRZA forming this beautiful flag. The only thing that is not making me jump in right away is this is the first 1-minute candle of this 5-minute time frame. I want to see it actually hold. Not the first 1-minute candles opening here, but the 5-minute could still end up just flushing right through VWAP. Do analysis on NKLA. Like long-term analysis? Because this is not a company you want to keep holding long-term. This is probably going to keep getting beaten down, probably down to $2, maybe 1 something. It could pop, but every time it pops, you can see holding the 200 moving average on the daily. So keep an eye on that 200 moving average on the daily. FRZA at trend line. That's a good eye too. That's a good eye, Kajala. That's one thing I do like. But hey, it is at the trend line too. Yeah. With the low volume pullback at trend line here, 250, this might be a place to take some stabs. Let's see how this. Oh, hold on. SNOA again. SNOA looking for high of days. 40 seconds left on this candle. I want to see us hold that 318. This thing might actually just go straight for high. It's getting shorted, man. It's getting shorted. If we get this thing to squeeze, shorts are going to be a lot more cautious from now on because we've gotten them squeezed yesterday, day before that. If we do it again today, this is going to be awesome right here. So I really want the candle to close though. This is going to hit a new high already, but I really want this 12 seconds here, 10 seconds here. See how it acts. You can see it's still getting heavy, but I want to see this last 5 seconds here. If I get a retest of 318, I will add on this one. Oh, terrible fill there, but I I got a pretty tiny starter up there. I got a pretty tiny starter up there. If it breaks through high of days, if it pulls back, I might add a little more on this one to that 318. That's where buyers are not gonna want to step in. But we're not even gonna let it dip down that much. We got 20 seconds here to hold this candle. Less volume. We could see a rip on the next candle. We could see a rip to highs. Maybe. Here, last 5 seconds here. Push it back up. Shorts are very strong. No, that is not a close that I wanted. That is not a good close. So 324 wall. I might be giving some profits back here, but I'm gonna stop out. So I get back $70, which is not a lot. But let me see if we get the lower ad down here at 318. 318. That's where I should have been buying here. I should have been patient or add it again down there. But I'm still gonna watch it. If I get a tiny pop down, I can't get a good fill though. I wanted that fill down there. This thing really is probably just gonna flag here and then rip to highs. Watch it. So watching. Candle gonna close here. Yeah, this is gonna rip to highs. This is gonna rip to highs. Watch. Where's the trade though? Where's the trade? I don't want to chase this. Dang it, man. That was a trade down there. That was a trade down there. That 320 retest, like we mentioned. Getting a little stuffed up there. You can tell this thing is heavy. You can just tell this thing is heavy. So the trade there was that retest of that 320. So I had the line at 318, but if I would have bumped it up to those 2 wicks earlier, that would have been the perfect retest of 320. You could have tried to snatch it as low as possible there. You'd be in a winning trade right now. I jumped in a little early and I didn't average down like I should have to get on this pop here. Would have been back in the green and some profit. I lost $60, $70 on that trade, which is not bad. It was just my starter, but this is feeling a little heavy. I'm not saying it won't squeeze. I think it might squeeze still, but it is pretty heavy. You can tell every little pop just gets sold into. This kind of looking bad. SNOA 1066. What is that? Too late to buy in. I mean, you could take a trade down here, but that's what I'm kind of waiting for. But buyers have been strong on this one too. You know, they kept holding all these lows here. So if we get a nice little pop down here, maybe that's another place to buy. So that's what I'm watching for right now. See if we get kind of that 318, kind of that 316 levels. But the one thing that it does make me a little cautious is when I see all these sellers here. You know, every tiny little pop now that you're at key levels higher, the buyers will quickly give out at that point. Here it's like, okay, we'll step back in. It's still low, but up here, you're right under highs. It could be dangerous. If you get out, this thing could flush. Up $207 for Ape Chase today. Good job. 560 on the week. Dang. Good job, man. Good job not chasing, though. Had to have it to break for me. Yeah. That was all I used to do before, just chase. But now I've slowed down a little bit and get into dips and stuff, especially in this market. Because if you chase everything, 90% of the time it's gonna flush on you. So, but good morning, Sonia. Good job. This kind of looking bad. Kano is ripping. Sorry, Rome C. Kano is kind of ripping. Daily is so oversold. FRZA, to me, FRZA still looks good. Look at these 5-minute candles here, not doing anything. Nikki's up 60 thanks to me. Awesome. Thanks for maneuvering. No problem, Nikki. Good job. Good job. People on YouTube, how are you guys doing today? I'm not gonna lie. Besides this consolidation here on SNOA, it has been pretty slow today. Nothing's grinding up. There's only two stocks really that we're watching. This one and FRZA, and FRZA kind of, not even. Maybe this was the only trade, unless you're getting chopped around here, but nothing that's really opening. SNOA, kind of the same thing. Volume's dying up here, so this is a good thing for this one to rip through highs. So kind of a slow day, and with FOMC later, maybe that's what we should have tried to expect it. William Page, FRZA, good marine tag, green, small green, green, nice, nice, nice. KHKT on TikTok, $600. Damn, not bad at all. Oh, that's me. Yeah. I'm on crypto. Is this stocks? What is your best indicator? This is stocks. Yes. Could try to find a small pullback on SNOA. This is a new 5-minute candle here that's about to close, and it's closing red with very little volume, so that's a good thing. So if this follows the 5-minute time frame, this will close here in 30 seconds, and maybe that next 1-minute candle will be the decider. Either we drop or either we squeeze, or in the next 5 minutes for sure. $320 is kind of strong, so if we see a flash of $320, maybe add a tiny bit of size. So last 7 seconds here. See how it pulls back in the last 5 seconds. What are we going to do though? What are we going to do? Pulling back, but holding 320. Still looking even more heavy. Look at this. I drew a little bit of a trend line in case we end up flushing to it. Might take some ads. Not after a failed squeeze though. FRZA is still holding up. FRZA breaking downtrend maybe? FRZA trying to break downtrend. SNOA, there's a little bit of a flush on SNOA. Should have been the ad there, but I don't know. Something about the stock moving. Something about the price action data on all the stocks moving. Rome C bought some spy calls. Okay. John, are you in here, John? John, long or short? Are you in here, John? So I guess, I'm not really seeing much, so let me go ahead and import my trades, and just so you guys can see exactly what I've traded today and how much I am up. So I do this every single day right in front of you guys, so you guys know exactly that I import my trades, that I make money, and this is what I live off of. So let me go ahead and import my trade, upload that, which is the only ticker. Wow, I am exactly at $600 even, like exactly. So here it is, Wednesday, November 2nd. I am sitting at $600 profit. November 1st, yesterday, I made 856, and then on Monday, I made 950. Now this one's wrong because I traded Tesla, but that was an options play, and I don't include those, so I tried deleting it, but for some reason it doesn't let me. See, it messes up. So it should be like a $900 day, 850, 600. So that's a good week so far. 3 days in. What do you think the market will do after Fed speaks? Bro, I have no idea, dude. You can't predict that. Um, Chayton, I think you were mentioning a trend line on FRZA. You know, kind of worked a little bit. I think that's where you were trying to buy it. Kind of had a little pop, so that one's unfortunate. But I did the same thing on SONA. Simple connect 2 points, drop to that third one. That should have been the place to buy and kind of recover. Stop at break even. You had a winning trade for now. But that's pretty much it. FRZA, a little bit of a recovery off those lows down there. Looking for 268 high. Look, oh, this thing just squeezed. Look at 286. 286. What is 286? I think just the next daily level on this one. FRCA just ripped, but That is not a healthy rip. Nope, that's flush. FRZA, take it off your watch list. Done for the day. Forget about that one. You're holding those calls through the meeting? Dang, Romsey. SNOA kind of doing the same thing. SNOA kind of flushing as well. Dropping down to VWAP on my chart. You know, if I, you know, I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I don't know if it's gonna recover and make a spike up to new highs or not, but oh, SNOA recovering, SNOA recovering. SNOA gonna give us that break through 330 up to 335. This one wants it. This one wants it. Wow, this candle just opened though. I can't buy this high. I can't buy it this high. I just can't. It's got so much time left. It's gonna squeeze though. Yeah, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I tell you guys all the time, if that candle has so much time left, you just stay away from it. Just stay away from it. Oh my gosh, my fingers were literally like it was like air tapping the hotkey. It was like buy, 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 but I didn't. I avoided that flush. I avoided that breakout. I avoided that breakout. Yeah, and you knew shorts were gonna be up there at high of day, so some of the best trades are the ones you don't take. I heard that somewhere. You heard it somewhere, you saw it somewhere. Right here. Use super trend one time frame higher. How much am I using to trade daily? It depends. A lot of different, a lot of different amounts. Corey, bro, the last couple of weeks with all the flush have been a great lessons. I've avoided all the flushes this week. Thanks for your commentary, Juan. Awesome, man. Awesome. Good job. Good job, guys. And we're growing, guys. We're growing. I'm really proud. I mean, not proud. I'm really happy all of you guys are in here. I really do appreciate it a lot. 180 of you guys now on YouTube. So thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the guys, for all of you guys that constantly come here every morning. Because you guys come in here every morning, hitting the like button, subscribing, all that stuff, commenting on my YouTube, all that stuff keeps growing my YouTube channel, and more people are coming in here, and we can help out more people. So you're growing because your live is great. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But honestly, it's pretty sad that uneducated people will continue to buy cars, houses, boats, campers, etc. because they don't understand. What? Wait, what did Labo PP say? Labo PP. My review on SNONN. Yes, so guys, a couple of you guys have asked me. Oh, that's Arab shooting an alert. That was Arab shooting an alert. Arab's got that high of 185. This is pretty low volume though. We're looking for that 185 high on this one, but that is pretty low volume. SNOA, you know, already got trapped up there. There's certain stocks when I can tell that buyers are stronger than sellers, and certain stocks where I can tell sellers are stronger than buyers. And this one was one that I definitely said sellers are definitely stronger. The other one that I was saying it nonstop when I was trading it was Sun, right? Sun yesterday, like nonstop, I was like, oh, this stock is strong. This stock is strong. Like up here in the morning, I was like, oh, this stock is strong. And so when it was around here, I was like, if we get out of this 250, this thing is gonna squeeze, and it sure did. It went from 250 all the way to $3 in like 2 minutes. So, but you know, I don't know if there's gonna be anything else to trade today. Both SNOA and there goes Arab again. There's that 184. It's 185 high. We're right at it. You can see popped exactly to 185. So this is the high that we need to break on this stock for it to keep moving higher. But with that volume, you can't take the trade, man. Look, it propped a new high, but can't take the trade. I just can't. There's no way I can jump in this thing with 5, 10,000 shares here with that big of a slippage on. Look, that previous candle had 90,000 shares. If I take 10,000 shares, I'm buying literally 10%, almost 10% of that candle myself. That's crazy. Wait, Zach is in here? Zach is in here, bro. Alright, Zach, how much did you make today? This is my favorite trading channel. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate all of you guys. AHG going up. AHG. I did not see that one. Oh, AHG. Look at AHG, guys. Looking for $1. We might be early on this one. Look at this pivot down here. 83 cents on AHG. This is looking pretty good, actually. Look at AHG. I'm looking at AHG. See if this one wants to pop up and see if it gets that $1. Oh, pretty bad slippage on that exit there. I want to see this thing really take off through that high and then see if we get the new high of day and get closer to $1 on this one. This looked like a low volume pullback on this one, so oh, that was such a bad fill, bro. That's why I'd like to buy the bid on these stupid things. Yeah, this is not looking good here. That pivot is still down there, so that's gonna be my stop if we break under that pivot, but I think I was almost up $200 on the trade, but I couldn't get it. I couldn't get the good sells on it. There's the pop. There's the buyer stepping down there. Now let's see if we rip up. That's that previous pivot that we were looking at. So, oh wow, this thing just flushed. This is the pivot. This is where we should be adding. So this is where buyers are going to add. How is this not going though? How is this not bouncing off of this pivot here? Looking for $1. How is it not doing it already? It was looking so strong earlier. I'm still holding. That's my pivot where I want to base my entry off of 83. If it starts popping under 83, then I'm going to be out of this one. But I'm looking to see if this one really wants to take off after that 83 bounce. It's looking not as strong now. If I get a small pop up, I'm out. Dang, that actually hurt a little bit. Dang it, that actually hurts a little bit there. That looked like a perfect setup. This looks like a perfect setup right here. I was up 200 on it, and then it kept pulling down, pulling down. I saw buyers come in, and they just couldn't squeeze. You made 25 cents there. This looks, I mean, this looks textbook flag right here. So that decreases my green day. Dang it. But I'm still green, I'm still green. But I don't know why that one really upsets me. You know, that's 400,000 volume. Yeah, it's a cheap stock, but that right there is good. This right here is good. This still actually might hold 83 and watch it. It's gonna rip up to $1. I think I also was in a little too high. And then when it tried going, I couldn't sell. I got pretty bad slippage on some of these trades up here. But that's what happens when you trade the low volume stocks. So I went from 600 on the day down to 420. Oh well, still up $400. SNOA is curling up, not quite yet. And FRZA is still not quite yet. AHG, this one should have bounced there. That's huge position size. I don't think I can do that ever. Can I check MMAT? MMAT, this one does have low volume. It looks like it already popped a high though, but this one's even lower volume than the other one. And the only reason I could see is, look at this. You see how many candles are literally topping like the same price level there and there? When I see that, I don't trade these at all. Because chances are, if you try buying any of these candles, you're going to buy there and then you're going to be selling there. But AHG, wow, I'm surprised this one didn't go, so unfortunate there. Honestly, guys, I may not even take another trade. How many? I think. Let me see. I'll look at this with you guys. So today I took the big trade and then I lost and then I lost. But yesterday I took one green trade, 2, 3, 4 green trades in a row. Monday I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green trades in a row. Friday I took this one. Actually, I remember this one. This was not a losing trade. This is the one that I held for so long that dipped down on me and stuff. But this is one trade. I guess I did take a small trade there. So, oh my gosh, this is all green. Oh my gosh, this is all green. um, 1, 2. So, actually, I've been trading pretty cleanly. Um, one red trade here. None there. I don't think 2 there. So 2, 3, 4. So today I do have the most red trades I've taken. So a little bit unfortunate there, but oh well. Let me see if I'm still up over 2K this week. Yeah, I'm up 2.1K this week already. Now SNOA is curling up. Now SNOA is curling up. After holding that 307 is a 200 moving average. So maybe this one does want to run again. So SNOA, if we go up to that 335 on SNOA, we might get a break of high days. 3-2 could be a nice little pivot here on the way up. I'm going to be careful with this one. There's shorts up there. We want real good volume on this one. If we can break the highs with this volume, I don't know that we will with this volume, unless a lot of them got out down here covering, but you never know. But if this thing starts popping back up, this thing could squeeze back up to those highs. Watching SNOA, 3-2 could be a nice pivot, but I want to see if I get that tiny little bit of flash lower, which I don't think we are. I think this thing really wants to go. 330 is the next level. 330 breaks. I think we definitely will get 335 this time. Oh, that's a nasty rejection. But that's the dip that I wanted. Missed that one there. Arab is actually still going. After Arab broke that 185, it's up to 190s. It might break $2, but super low volume there too. SNOA could break that 335. I'm watching. Don't want to chase it, but I am watching this one. 2-3-2 entry maybe if this thing pulls down. When is this candle? So 5 seconds left. See, that pulls back too aggressive, too fast. I want to see if we close a 5 minute candle high and then have a little pullback on the next 5 minute candle. That's what I will look for instead, I think. I don't think this is going to absolutely squeeze. I think this might just chop around here and then flag again down here. But I do want this 5 minute candle to for sure close over 3-2. That is one thing I do want for sure. So this candle will close here. Got one less candle left, and this candle I want it to close over 3-2. Watching. This is the last 1 minute candle here now forming. Stay over 3-2, and this 5 minute candle will look very good. And then we can watch the dip for the next one. What's up, Darth Trader? How are you, man? That's insane, Juan. Record month coming for everybody. What is that? Oh, those are your trades today? Is that how Trade Seller shows it? Those are your trades, ape trades? Yep, awesome, awesome, awesome. I guess John's not in here today. I don't remember hearing John today. I missed that ad there again, man. I am not in my game today. Even though I almost had 1,000 on that first trade, I am not in it today. Could have added that 3-2. Been saying 3-2. So this is that 5 minute candle. Look at it closing right over 3-2. So I don't know how I feel about it. Not you, Trader John. The other John on Tradecaster. But sorry, but hey, Trader John, appreciate you being here, man. Appreciate you being here. I'm still watching SNOA. I'm only asking because he was trading the options, and I want to see if he was trading SPY today. Trader John, though, second day here. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for being part of the team. Everybody on YouTube, welcome all the new people in here. Looks like a cup and handle. I do like this thing. I think we can get that 335, but I'm hesitating too much on my ads here. Could have been buying this candle down here. I think this will break 335, I think. Look at this candle accelerating now. Should have bought it down there. Maybe it's just I don't want to absolutely mess up my even $600 profit. How hard is it to do that? Exactly $600 profit on this stock. Again, hesitated there. But man, what am I doing? Those are all dips to buy. I'm watching it here. This is the next 5 minute candle to be flagging, so I should have been trying to buy some of those dips there. The lowest I would want this candle to dip down to is that 314 right above VWAP. 314 is the lowest I'd be looking at. Fear day, give yourself a break. Yeah, I kind of want to wait for a panic at 294. 294? No. I mean, if that dips down low, I think it'll be done. I've already tried once and held that 307, came back up. I am still decently on the day, you know, but that first trade I took, I was up $1,000 on it and didn't quite open up for me. That was right here. That was just unfortunate. And I locked 670 on that trade, and then I lost $70 after that, which is okay. And then AHG, actually, I want to see what AHG did. So I'm glad I cut that one out. You know, I lost 180 there, but I'm glad I cut it out because it ended up not going anyways. So I'm happy with that. And, you know, still up 2K this week, so I'm happy. 2 days left. And then got some friends coming over, and I got a lot of stuff this weekend, guys. Does anybody actually? I know it's kind of hard since you guys don't. Most of you guys don't live in Texas, but anybody that lives in Texas, have you guys ever gone out to Renaissance Fair? Or anybody planning on going to Renaissance Fair? How did I drink a full cup of water already? Does anybody even know what Renaissance Fair? Or you guys are like, what the heck are you talking about, bro? What strat are you using? I'm using a lot of different strats, man. What are you trading right now? I am looking at SNOA. First day here, yes, and I was thinking about. Oh, somebody on TikTok said yes, and you were thinking about it. Nice, nice, nice. What time frame do you use? I use the 1 to 5 the daily. Pretty much it for my penny stock trading. You're in Orlando, okay. Rome C, never for you. Robin, nope. I did a couple years ago. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not in Texas many years ago in California. I haven't been in the Ren Fair in a long time. It's just a big old fair, and people are dressed like Renaissance theme. I don't dress up. I just go for the camping. I go for the camping and hanging out, family and friends and stuff. So, uh, SNOA kind of has another bit of a flag here. If I get the nicely flushed down to VWAP where this trend line touch is, I might take another ad down there, just to see if we get a little bit of a pop. 1 minute, yes. 15 seconds. You know, at one point I went through the phase of saying, I think if you have a 15-second chart, you can see everything ahead of, and you feel like you're on top of it, and you feel like you see everything moving, like in slow motion, and you can predict it. Honestly, I have no idea. I mean, you would have to buy like the best brokerage out there that has the 15 seconds, and I think hands down is going to be e-signal. Then maybe it helps, but you know, I don't think it's a complete game changer where somebody's going to, go from not being profitable to, oh my gosh, I'm making this crazy amount of money because I'm looking at a 15-second chart. I don't think so. And a 15-second chart is probably more for scalping. Somebody that's really scalping. And if you guys, you know what it is we have it in Florida. Nice, nice, nice. Um, And yeah, this stock is heavy. You could see it just hit that top trend line again of this pennant, and instant orders went in here. A couple of you guys are from Orlando. Weeble can give you 15-second charts for free. I was saying, I'm not a I'm not a big scalper. I'm sure you guys have seen other traders out there that literally they make their money in the stock market by 2 penny moves, by 3 penny moves, by a 1 penny move. And that's hard. I used to be like that when I was a breakout trader, but now I'm kind of trying to find the majority of the move. Austin is in the house. What's up? You normally go here to Texas every year? Yeah, I do. I am in Texas. Shorts are all over this stock, yeah. What the frick was I talking about, man? You guys are 35 minutes away from each other. There you go. You guys go out, have some coffee, talk about stocks. Perfect. Yeah, the 200 SMA on the daily Randolph on gonna hold it, and do something that Sun did. I'm watching. Retest of trend line down here could be a nice ad on this one if you get that super low ad, but I think this one's just gonna want to go right away and not let shorts get back in here. But 330 is the level to break. 330 on the ask there. Let's see if we get a retest of downtrend way down there, and I might take an ad. That's the only ad I'll take down here. See if we kind of break out of this downtrend, get a flag here real quick, and then pop up. So, watching. You can tell shorts are in here, but if I get a tiny retest of that downtrend down there, I might take a small ad. But you can see the shorts are everywhere on this stock, man. Tiny ad right there as a starter. Let's see if it holds that downtrend right there. Tries to pop a little bit. I don't trust the stock, so I'm taking profit here. I'm going to move stop to break even, and now I'm going to break even trade again just to see if this thing wants to fly. If not, then I will be out of here. Hands on the cancel button, ready to sell if in case it doesn't. But if this thing, yeah, I'm out. So I barely made anything there. I don't want to hold anything on this stock because this stock could just flush with the shorts that are in here. But perfect. Came back down, stopped me out, and then decides to go. 330 again. How many people? Oh, 330 bro. Dude, what the heck? What the heck? Dude, honestly, I'm done trading. I'm done trading. I gotta keep this, dude, because this is honestly the way this stock is behaving. I am not liking it. All right, let me read some TikTok comments. I am broke. No one will lend me money. Somebody said I have a course that's really good. Awesome, man. Awesome. Appreciate it. Are you in my course, JD? From TikTok? You know, it's really hard when people buy my course. There's so many stocks that go up a ton that give it all back in one candle. Yeah. Um, Broker CD Ameritrade. All right, YouTube chat now. So Ape Trades, that's up, man. Thanks. Let me see. Let me see. That dip on SNOA at 3-1 was money. That's where no 3-1. Oh, that I don't know if you can slack that one. I want Tesla to squeeze so I can run another put. Tesla has been struggling at that 226 level, and actually SPY is not bouncing today, so oh well. YouTube chat, dude, this is getting a little overwhelming. If you're looking for a journal, check us out. Okay, stock journal, thanks. Corey McCunny, I've been trading for about 6 years. Just happened to tune in when Juan got caught in that offering news a couple of weeks ago. I guess I was bad luck for him. Dang, bro. I was really impressed with how he handled it. I think he has a very promising career ahead of him. I will if you're not in my streams, man. I'm just kidding. Stay with us. Glad you're here, man. 6 years of experience. Awesome, man. Awesome. Trader John, yeah, near what? Area right near the. Oh, you guys are still talking of where you live. It does not want to break 330. I train with Simulator IBKR and I can make money every time, but I am scared. You got it, CLG. You got it. Sellers stacked at 340. I saw that message to Mimi. Every time I see Tamimi message and I'm in a trade, I look over it because I know he's announcing some walls and it might help me a little bit. Very small trades, even one as you build confidence. See daily chart on August 3, 200 moving average. Can't wait for second avatar to come out. Got stopped out at 225 on that flush. Now it's going to rip again. Sorry, 325. Tech and Money, you green today. Awesome. Terrence, let's go. Awesome, awesome. Anyone here from Midwest? Midwest. What do you mean Midwest? Mexicabrini. Let me import my trades. I think I made an extra $5 right there. I was up like 30, 40, but I think I only made an extra $5 there. I kind of look like Juan el Caballo. What? There's John Long or Short. Where you been, bro? And don't tell me you've been in here because you haven't been in here. I've only called your name like 15 times. Did I work my way above PDT? Sadly, no. I deposited money to be over PDT. First time in your life, really enjoyed TikTok videos. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for coming in my live. Thank you for watching me. I do this every day, 15 minutes before market opens. So thank you. Zach's in Minnesota. There you go. Somebody asking about the Midwest. Deposit. How old are you? I am up $3.50, Clay. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That's a green day. I look really young. Okay, thank you. But I found out I'm not the youngest here. You know, Ape Trades is the youngest out of this whole stream. Ape Trades is the youngest. Just kidding, he's not. Probably somebody else is younger, but Ape Trades is younger than me, guys. What about Lang? What about Lang? How old is Lang? I don't know. I'm 24. No, then that sucks. Chicago said I might be the oldest in the stream. Can you check out Rum real quick? Guys, I think again I'm at that point where I'm probably not gonna take another trade. I think I'm gonna lock in my $400. We got 16-year-olds over on Discord. Yeah. That's what I was saying. I don't think there's gonna be. I don't think. I think there's definitely a lot more. You, Eric, dude, Eric. I didn't know you rode bikes, man. I thought your name was Eric and your last name was Moto. But now that I saw your TikTok, I was like, Moto stands for it means bikes. And then I saw your TikTok, man. That's awesome. Dirt bikes. That's awesome, dude. I was born when Nixon was in office. Chicago said. You know who I think is the oldest, and I haven't seen him in a while because he DM'd me the other day and said he had been gotten busy. I think Elvenar was the oldest because I think the oldest. I think I did a poll once, and I think he was at the top, and he said it. He said, "Yeah, I'm an old person," but it don't matter. It don't matter. Working on my risk management, and I'm up 2.2%. Thank you, W Juan. Awesome. Yeah, you're right. Motocross and you day trade, dude. That's awesome, Eric. Okay, somebody on YouTube, they're 68. Okay, okay. Market doesn't care about your age, though. Chicago, you're 51, so you're definitely not the oldest. I got a 68-year-old on YouTube right now. Who else was there? Sid, 41. But you're right. You guys are right. Market doesn't care about your age, you know. ¿Cuáles son tus planes para el futuro? Solo acciones, sí. Yeah, that's all I plan on doing. Alexander with some Spanish. Awesome. Jhart42. Nice, nice. I didn't even ask for ages, and you guys are just randomly telling me your age. What the heck? I like didn't ask, and everybody on YouTube is like, I'm 42, I'm 39, I'm 24, I'm 16, I'm 68. Dude, you just passed my comments? No, I read it. I read it. You're the one that said first time in here, right? Yeah, I did. First time in here. I said thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for doing that. Thanks for coming in on the live stream. Awesome, awesome. It's a community. That's a good sign. I like this community, guys. I like every single one of you. Half my age. Ape Trace is not 13, bro. Wad Boy said he wants my age, social media, date of birth, account password, and that'll help too. Dude, you're not supposed to ask for account password. You're supposed to ask for their pet's name. There you go. Account password. Eric, you made 180% on Amazon puts yesterday. Nice, man. I don't use a crypto app. Um, so as far as trading, if you guys are coming in a little bit later, I am up $418 today. Yesterday 850, and then Monday 900, Friday 600, Thursday 750, Wednesday 45, Tuesday 400, and that's the end of this page. All green. So that offering that somebody was talking about on YouTube, I'm back, baby. I'm back. I did kind of botch today, though. I will say, I mean, I traded good, but I will say I definitely botched a lot of trades. I took some very good ads on this one down here. I was up a grand, closed it out 700. Missed a couple of dips here, that one, and then I missed. There was another dip that I thought I missed. I don't know if it was some of these. I missed those for sure. And then on AHG, unfortunately, you know, I take this trade any other day. You know, you get a nice push, you get a high of day, you rip through it, and then look at this volume. You know, this volume absolutely dead. This volume, oh my gosh, buyers are in the stock. You know, that's a nice push right there. And then started pulling back low volume, pulling back low volume, pulling back low volume. Hits that pivot. That's the pivot play that I like, right? I start adding, and it just could not catch a bounce. Just could not catch a bounce. So just unfortunate that happened today. I guess I should say fortunate that happened today because I was up and soaked up the loss and still green on the day. As opposed to, you know, having to take this trade any other day, first trade of the day, and I lose money on it, then, you know, that could be a little different mentality for the rest of the day. But I would take this trade 100% every time I see it. Every time I see a pivot, every time I see volume surge, increase double, triple, quadruple volume of the morning, and then try to hold the pivot, I will take that trade. What the heck, guys? I look right, and now there's like red hearts everywhere. I guess I look left. This is stocks. Hold on, what are the red hearts for? Wait, what's happening? Ape Trade said I haven't kissed a girl, but I have a baby on the way. July 9th. Dude, that's my brother's birthday. Blair's heading out. Blair, you have a good rest of your day, man. Rome currently sitting small red for me right now because of AHG. AHG thing, same thing here, so that's okay. And I guess your spy call, if you got it pretty low, it's kind of hovering around that low, but it's still holding up some. So, let's see what else. For everybody new, that is, what's your brother's name? My guess is Carlos. Am I right? No. Starts with an A. Corey, oh, there you are, Corey. That was you that said that. 6 years experience. You came in here, gave me bad luck, and I lost money on that offering. But you know what? I appreciate you being here anyways. Have a good day, everybody. Juan seems pretty legit to me. It takes lots of guts to go out and trade live like this and do it completely free, man. You guys don't understand how hard it is to do it, and then I'm doing it free. You guys hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go watch my recaps, and I don't care. If you don't want to watch my recap, that's fine. Go like it and leave a comment. You know, if you see every single trade live, just go and like my recap. Go like my comment on my Discord as well, guys. Like every time we do these little, I know it's like kind of dumb and stupid, but you know, where is it at? Like, kind of these profits. Use these profit chats. Post your profits. If you don't want to show numbers, then post P&Ls. You know, post a trade. I don't care what you post, but post something and do these little emojis. So, because I know a lot of people come into the Discord, and if they see that this Discord is dead, they probably just either leave or just don't pay attention to it. But if they start seeing a lot of that stuff, then they might jump in on the live streams and be like, okay, this guy's legit. This guy knows what he's doing. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Who knows? But at least it'll force them to come watch and figure out themselves. You know, so that's all I ask for in return. Stay active on Discord. Post P&Ls. Post percentages if you don't want to post dollar amounts. Post your trades. I don't care. In the mornings, Hanish was there this morning. If you guys are trading early pre-market, these guys are waking up early morning. 4:38 a.m., bro. You're out of your mind, Hanish. Johnny, 6:42 a.m. ESPN, Jake, 7:40. Rome, 7:50. Guys, I'm still in bed by 8. I get up at 8, okay? So you guys are on another level. And then once we're done streaming, we go back into the Discord and trade on that same chat right there. I don't think I'm going to trade another thing today. SNOA kind of really going sideways right now. FRZA completely fading. We got news coming out today later in the day, so that's all the attention is going to be in large caps, especially SPY and the overall market. So it's going to be pretty slow, but that's all I got for you guys. Do I do this full time? Yes, I do. How much do you require to begin investment on stocks, bro? You can have as much as you want. You can put in as little as you want, as much as you want. Obviously, the more you put in, the bigger returns you can get. The early bird gets the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. I guess that's the live stream we did that one time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I talked for like 10 seconds and then I got cut out. It's funny though. Patrick R. No, it does not. 25K is for PDT roll, but you can put $100 in and you can trade with $100. The recap is the best. Awesome, Amy. Thank you, thank you. And another thing, you guys, if you guys are new and you guys are watching, I almost even forget to bring this up. If you guys really want to take day trading seriously and you want to start learning and learn everything that I do, all my strategies, everything, how I trade the market, how I look at the market, I do offer a course. I get a lot of DMs, people telling me, "Hey, can you teach me?" No, I cannot. There's literally no way that I can teach you one-on-one everything that I know, and then teach this guy one-on-one everything I know, and then teach this girl everything I know, and it's impossible. I had to make a course. I do stream live completely free, so you see, Rum is kind of ripping, but that's a very sold-off stock. So I do trade live, and you guys can see me trade real money. You guys see me make money. I mean, just look at this. This is my stats on the last couple days. 400 today, 850 yesterday, 900 day before, 560, 750, 45, 400. This is real money that I'm making. So if you guys really want to learn, I offer a course. It's in my TikTok bio. It's in my Discord. It's in my YouTube. And then use 150 off for a discount. 150 off, and you can get $150 off on that course. 150 off at the checkout page, and you get that discount. Hype trades. That's what a lot of people are asking. I don't think I'm gonna stream during the FOMC. I don't watch any kind of news. I'm sorry, guys. If you guys are that kind of person, that kind of trading, I am sorry. I don't care for the news. I don't watch the news at all. I probably won't even trade the news. You can get a move on SPY up $1, $2, and then it can instantly just turn around and flush on you. So it's gonna be risky. But definitely, I do think the direction it picks, it might just take off that way for another day or two. As a matter of fact, I think I actually might have puts open on SPY. So I need to check these out and see how much I'm up. So I got a put spread on SPY, John. I got a put spread on SPY to under 380. I make my money. And that is that's for December, though. That's a long-term put. Which is up right now. I opened it pretty early. And then I do have another one open. I have a December 2 put, but that's just just a straight up put. And that one's up $90, but I'm still holding it. As far as options, that's all the plays that I got. I think I opened some. Yeah, I have another put open on SPY. This is kind of like a YOLO play. It's like under 350 on SPY for the end of December. And that one's break even. But I don't think that's a big reward or loss. I think it's pretty small. Easy money, another $500 day. Easy money. Good job, man. Good job. Easy money is if you guys want to ask anybody about the cores, some people in the Discord are in the cores. Easy money is one of them. Ask them if you have any questions. If you don't believe me and you think I'm a scammer, ask somebody that's in the cores and they'll give you their honest opinion. I'm not here to scam you guys out of money. You're gonna pay what you get for. So. Zero for sniper trade, no trades at all. Awesome. I used to trade. I used to look at news. I don't look at news at all either. Discord link. Let me send you guys my Discord link. I always forget to do that. Thanks for asking. So here is my Discord link. If you guys are watching on YouTube, on TikTok, it is in my bio. I cannot post links on TikTok. So here's my Discord link. And then if you guys really are interested in my course, let me send you guys that link as well. If you're on Discord, if you're on TikTok, it's in my bio as well. And then if you guys want that discount, all you have to type in is 150 off. 150 off, no spaces, and you get that discount. Time frame boss, you're looking at a 1 minute on TikTok. Minimum required to open an account. I think most of them are $0 now. Depends on which broker you open. I think TD Ameritrade is $0 now. So you can just open an account and then be good to use paper trading. So I definitely encourage that. Do you have a YouTube video on how to set stop loss on Thinkorswim? I don't think I do, but I know there's a lot of people that probably have that. So if you just Google it on YouTube, I'm sure you will find it. But I don't think I personally have one. I know in my course I go over a lot of stuff on Thinkorswim, so I got a lot of videos on my course that it's going to teach you how to do it, how to manage your positions fast and get around the platform. So Clay McAllister making a little bit on RYAM. That's a slow grinder. What a slow day. What a slow day. But, probably expected. We had 2 good days Monday and Tuesday with SONN, so. And today, even though it's a slow day, I had a good trade on SNOA, so. Unfortunately, I couldn't lock in that $1,000 profit and got shaken out of it, but that's okay. Juan's the real deal, and the course is legit. Been trading 2 years and wasn't consistent until I started learning from recently. Randolph is on FRZA. Oh, I didn't put it on my Tradecaster chat. Sorry. Here it is. There's the link to the course on Tradecaster. And then I get it. Let me type in. If you type that, you get the discount. 150 off, no space. The same thing for everybody on TikTok. But I can't post links, so you got to go to the TikTok bio. I've learned all on my own. Juan has never helped me or showed me anything worth saying in regards to day trading. Hey, Ape Trades, I need you to go to your TradeZilla, and I need you to post your P&Ls before August. I need you to post your P&Ls every single month. I need you to post all of them. And then in August, I want you to put Juan started helping me, and then post your P&Ls for August, September, October, and then November. I need you to do that right now, Ape Trades. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly, dude. Bro. Wild boy said, "Don't get them cheeks clapped." Bro, he doesn't want them cheeks slapped again, bro. He got him in Fortnite already, dude. He got him in Fortnite already. AHG stole some of it. Yeah, same here, man. Hey, that's a good day. FOMO Sapien, another person off the course, man. Another person off the course that's been absolutely killing it, man. This guy just doesn't see red in his pre-now. Eric Smoda, what's up, man? Let's go, my brothers. I'm done trading. Ooh, a SNOA. Look at SNOA again. Man, this is about to do another giant squeeze if it breaks that 330, but holy crap. Awesome MSBTA. Awesome. Thanks for joining Discord. Like I said, guys, every morning you can chat pre-market there before I go live, and then afterwards, you guys can talk on the day trading chat and see if anything's moving. Now, for the last couple of days, literally it's been completely dead, and that doesn't mean that we're not there. It's just literally nothing's moving. But if something's moving and we got charts moving and stocks moving up, we'll definitely be on that Discord chatting. But if it's just dead and nobody's chatting, then that means that we're literally not seeing anything moving. But even the meeting today, if you guys are out there watching the announcement later on and all that stuff, and you want to chat, so you can be on that Discord there. Crypto Mining Companion LLC, what's up, man? You came from TikTok, appreciate it. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. Okay, Arda, if you don't admit, you guys, if you know me, I say I'm done trading, I say I'm done streaming, and then I jump into another trade. I do this all the time. Like I literally tell you guys, one of my saying is, yeah, that trade yesterday was pretty awesome. I always say you guys don't leave the stream until I end the stream, because otherwise I'm gonna say I'm leaving and I don't leave. You got the perfect setup with the live trading and recap later. Yep, and it takes a while, man. It takes a while, you know. So go like, go comment, go everything. Support. But I think I really am gonna call it here pretty soon. It's 10. Streaming, been streaming for an hour and a half. I think usually I do stream for 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I think most of my videos are looking like that's the time frame. So awesome, Eric. Awesome. Wait. Do you have a different username, Eric, on Discord? Is that you with the 7? And Tamimi posted that thing about me if I was a commentator. I haven't clicked on it, but I already know that's a Spanish commentator. Uh, Eric, before I head out, let me know if that was you with the 7, Ahmad. Another thing, guys, I didn't know for everybody that uses Thinkorswim, and I just discovered this like 2, 3 weeks ago. Michael, Crystal, awesome, thank you, man. You have a good one. Another thing that EB450. Did you send me a DM or why did you say you hit me up on Discord? I don't have it. What was I gonna say? Another thing, guys, if you guys are using Thinkorswim, I didn't realize there's a hotkey button to cancel your order. It's been so helpful recently. So if you guys are on Thinkorswim and you want that, just go to your setup and go to the hotkeys at the top right, and there's a on the active trader there's a hotkey to cancel the order. Because otherwise, a lot of the times I was sitting on an order like this where I put it like that. Oh frick. Like this, and the order sits there, and the only way for me to cancel it was for me to literally go here and click the X with my mouse. But that's hard, right? Because I'm an active trader here. I gotta go click the X and then I go back to do this. But if you set up that order, you can cancel it with a hotkey like that. And then that's so much better for profit taking because you got your order ready there. If you want to take profits, all you got to do is cancel it with the hotkeys and then boom, sell faster than moving your mouse. So definitely check that out, guys. It definitely helps. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. Well, actually, I gotta make a recap first. But what type of stocks do you? EB4. Yeah, but did you send me another D? Oh, there it is. I just now got it. I literally just now got it. Yeah, I got it now. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Locking in $420, $418. You know, I will take that any other day. A little bit upset today that I had almost $1,000 profit. Gave it back, and then I only locked in 600, and then I still gave some back after that. So you know, a little bit iffy on ending the day today, but I'm glad I'm up $400. Um, you know, I'm not even keeping track of us. I'm currently on. Let me see. 5 days, 7 days green in a row. I guess I didn't realize 7 days green in a row. Um, and starting off November with 2 green days, so that's a good start. That's a good start. Alright, so I'm going to head out, guys. You guys have a good rest of your day. If you're still trading, be careful. Market's going to be a little bit tough today. SNOA is pretty heavy. FRZA is pretty heavy. Those are the only two stocks. Wait, before I got to show you something. Awesome, awesome. Show it to me. What was I going to say? Meeting today, so market is going to be a little bit crazy. If you really want some action, you can come back and watch the market at the end of the day. It's going to do whatever the announcement is going to be, whatever the hikes are going to be. So, but I do think whatever direction it picks, it might go that direction for a couple of days, maybe. If it's pretty bad, the market might end up dropping, spike, and take supports out and go back down to new lows, or this thing can rally back up to the $400 price target. So I don't know. Yeah, I got it now, Eric. How much did I make today? $400 only. Isaac calling out SNOA. SNOA, you know, keep an eye on SNOA. This could do one of those that Sun did. If you get shorts out of this area and start consolidating up here, this thing might really start grinding up there and like hold here and then might grind up again. Kind of like that, right? But if this thing pops up flushes, then that's going to be hard. Thanks, bro. Catch you in the AM. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate it. Ape Trades, what you got, man? Go look at P&L on Discord. Bro, that's awesome. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. Guys, if you guys ever want to post anything on Instagram or want me to post like your P&Ls or something like that, just let me know. I'll repost them, you know. Gives you some credit for your hard work and also, you know, me obviously helping you guys. But that's awesome. Oh, yeah, yeah. All right, guys, I forgot. This here we go, guys. Look at this. This is this is what Juan can do to your trading right here. FRZA is coming back. This is funny. Um, can you guys see that on TikTok? I think you guys can. That's funny, Ape Trades. FRZA is coming back. FRZA over 250. It will be interesting. FRZA over $2.50 starts holding that. It'll be interesting. Oh, under that, it's gonna be choppy. I wouldn't really like it under 250. It might even go up to 250 and keep going down. If I had to take a guess, unless it really holds 250, then you can get that pop up. But everything is pretty heavy today. That one felt really heavy, and SNOA felt really heavy. Ranjov, good trade. What did Ranjov do? Do I have another job? No, I don't have another job. This is all I do. Oh, Sean is on TikTok as well. Juan got me into day trading. I watched this dude back in summer and learning a lot. Thanks. Which way do you think the Fed will go? Man, I have no idea, dude. That's like telling me black or red. A part of me still tells me things are bad. Nothing's looking better. I think I saw jobs increase or something like that, but I think everything else is still bad. Um, I would still like it if SPY dropped a lot more. We need a break in this market, and I don't want this thing to go back up to 400s, 410, 420. I'd rather this thing come back down, buy some little bit of a long-term accounts, buy some little bit in the long term for the long term, and then hopefully we just grind our way back up. I don't want a crazy bull market again, because it helps with day trading, but then you're going to get through moments like this. I'd rather it just be 5 years of just slow grind back up where, penny stocks are fine. There's not a lot of sellers. There's action, decent action every day, stuff like that. I'd rather it be like that than have 1 year of a crazy year and then you get years like this year, where it's like iffy. So, I don't know. All right, guys, I'm officially done. Thank you to all of you guys watching. We had a record amount of views today. I think close to 190 views today. So thank you guys for all of you guys' support every single day, hitting the like button, subscribing, notifications, everything like that. Definitely is promoting it to more people. So I really, really thank you, all of you guys. I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day, lock in another green day. I've said this like 15 times now, but this one's legit. I'm getting out of here. Um, Oh my god, look at Farsi. Ah, gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Alright, I'm done, guys. You guys have a good one. You guys take care. If you're red on the day, be careful with it. Don't increase it unless you see a good setup. If you're good on the day, walk away, put it in your pocket, and run. FOMO Sapien is good at that. He puts it in his pocket and takes off running. You're up on the day. Get out. You guys have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live stream. Go check out my recap. If you don't want to watch it, that's fine. Go hit the thumbs up and just leave a comment. Alright, guys. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys later.